We're having a day which is part of a UK-wide and to some extent worldwide day of action to send a message to the G7, who are some of the world's leaders of the richest countries of the world, who are meeting in Cornwall this weekend. And we're sending a message to say we need action, not words. This is absolutely an emergency. It's not us saying it's an emergency, it's the scientists of the world saying it's an emergency. We've had conference after conference and we really need action now. Things are getting to such a point, we're reaching those tipping points and flooding is getting worse. People know that in Wales, people know that across the world. So we're here to send them a message that we're watching them, that we want them to act, but also we're here to give that message to local people to help them to see the connections between climate change and the flooding that they're experiencing here in Cardigan and locally elsewhere in Wales.
I am Knut!
In the sea too. Plastic is not fantastic, but if you stop using plastic, it'll be fantastic. Right, that's my message for the day.